Good evening, dear friends. You are welcome on my YouTube channel, Biology by Dr. Zakir sir. Today we will discuss mitochondria. 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 We will discuss first history about the mitochondria. Some is history about mitochondria. First point is there. At first, mitochondria was seen by Kolliker in the muscles of insect. So we can write that at first mitochondria was seen by Kolliker scientist in muscle of insect. So at first mitochondria was seen by Kolliker scientist in the muscles of insect, but the credit of discovery goes to two scientists, Fleming and Altman. But credit of discovery was given Altman and Fleming. But the credit of discovery was given Altman and Fleming. The Altman scientist, the bioplast name was given to mitochondria by Altman scientist. Bioplast name was given to mitochondria by Altman, and philia name was given to mitochondria by Fleming. But the today name, mitochondria name, was given by C. Benda. But mitochondria name was given by C. Benda. Bioplast name was given to mitochondria by Altman, and philia name was given to mitochondria by Fleming, and mitochondria name was given by the C. Benda. Powerhouse of cell name was given to mitochondria by Siegfried scientist. Powerhouse of cell name was given to mitochondria by Siegfried scientist. Powerhouse of cell, why? Because the ATP formation take place in mitochondria. So Siegfried placed the name powerhouse of cell. Another is scientist is the Hong Bloom. Respiratory center of cell, name was given by Hong scientist. Okay, respiratory center name was given. Respiratory center of cell name was given by Hong. First mitochondria was discovered in plant by F. Mewis in Nymphia plant. In Nymphia plant, first time mitochondria was discovered by F. Mewis. Okay, the powerhouse of the cell name was given to mitochondria by Sequid's. Respiratory center of cell name was given by Hong. And in Nymphia plants, first time mitochondria was discovered by F. Mewis scientists. So these are the history of mitochondria. Now we will study about mitochondria, the life span or life cycle of mitochondria. Lifespan of mitochondria is 5 to 10 days. 5 to 10 days. About the length, about the size means in size, the length of mitochondria is 3 micrometer to 5 micrometer, and width is 0.5 micrometer to 2 micrometer. This is about the lifespan of mitochondria is 5 to 10 days, and size of mitochondria, in size the length of mitochondria is 3 micrometer to 5 micrometer, and width is 0.5 micrometer to 2 micrometer. Now the number of mitochondria in cell, number of mitochondria in a cell. Approximately the number of mitochondria is 500 to 1600 per cell. But number of mitochondria depend upon activity of cells. So we can write that number of mitochondria depends upon activity of number of mitochondria depends upon activity of cell. The cells which are more active, that cell will have more number of mitochondria. More active cell have more number of mitochondria. Less active cell have less number of mitochondria. So the number of mitochondria depends upon the activity of cells. More active cells have more number of mitochondria, and less active cell have less number of mitochondria. If we comparison between the plant cell and in animal cell, the activity of animal cell is more, so the number of mitochondria will be more in animal cell. This is the order of number of mitochondria. Number of mitochondria. So we can say that number of mitochondria depends upon activity of cell. More active cell have more number of mitochondria, less active cell have less number of mitochondria. Some example is there in microsterias. Number of mitochondria is 1 in one cell. One cell is there, Chlorella fusca. Number of mitochondria is 1 mitochondria in one cell. One is giant amoebas, chaos. This is the giant amoeba. Number of mitochondria is 5 lakh per cell. So we can say that different cells have different number of mitochondria. So it is depend upon the activity of cell. Microsteria cell have 1 mitochondria. Chlorella fusca have 1 cell, 1 mitochondria in one cell, and chaos it is a giant amoeba which have 5 lakh mitochondria in their structure. Now we will study about the structure of mitochondria. Structure of mitochondria. We will discuss by a diagram. Before structure, we should write the shape of mitochondria. Mitochondria shape is cylindrical in shape. Okay, this is the diagram of a mitochondria. This one is the outer membrane of mitochondria. This one is the inner membrane of mitochondria, which make fold this is the outer membrane. This one is inner membrane. So we can say that mitochondria have double mitochondria covered by double membranes. So we can say that it is a double membrane cell organelles. Double membrane cell organelles. Okay. Outer cell membrane is smooth in nature. You can say this one is the outer membrane. This one is the outer membrane, which is the smooth in their nature. Okay. Another membrane is this one. This is the inner membrane, which have fold, or we can say that inner membrane invaginated place to place. The invaginated part known as fold. Okay. Inner membrane another membrane is inner membrane, which have fold in their structure. These fold known as cristae. These fold known as cristae. The cristae name was given by Pallade scientist. Cristae name was given by Pallade scientist. So we can say cristae, the another name of cristae is a Pallade particle. Again, I will repeat, the shape of mitochondria is cylindrical in shape. Mitochondria is double membrane cell organelles, means mitochondria have double covering. One is the outer covering, but one is the outer covering. Outer covering known as outer membranes, which is smooth in nature. Another is inner membranes, which have fold in their structure. These fold known as cristae. And cristae name was given by Pallade on the so we can say another name of cristae is Pallade particle, because first discovered by the Pallade. This about the membrane. On cristae there are some small particles present like this. This type of small particle present on cristae known as oxisome. So we can write that on cristae there are some small size particles are present known as oxisome. Okay, on cristae there are some small sized particles are present known as oxisome. This is the oxisome. Oxisome have three parts. Upper part is known as head. This one is stalk, and this one is base. Base part is also another known by another name, that is F0 particles, and head is the another name of head is F1 particle. So we can say oxisome is another name of oxisomes. Another name of oxisome. First is F1 F0 particle. F1 is the head part of oxisome and F0 is the base part of oxisome. By the F0 particle, this oxisome binds with the inner membrane with the help of a protein that is known as oligomycin sensitivity conferring protein. So we can say that F0 particle binds with inner membrane of mitochondria with the help of oligomycin sensitivity conferring protein. In short term we can say OSCP. So this is the oxysome have three part. First is head, second part is stalk, third one is a base. Another name of base is F0 particle and another name of head is F1 particle. So we can say the another name of oxysome is F1 F0 particle. With the help of oligomycin conferring protein OSCP, with the help of oligomycin sensitivity conferring protein, the F0 particle binds to the inner membrane of mitochondria. Okay. Now we will see about the F1 particle of oxysome. F1 particle, that is the head portion of oxysome. In this particle, electron transfer system take place. In this place, ETS means electron transfer system take place. In this place, ETS electron transfer system takes place. With the help of electron transfer system, mitochondria make ATP. Okay, we can say that with the help of ETS system, mitochondria makes ATP. So we can say that mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. Okay, this is about the oxysome. Number of oxysome in mitochondria is number of oxysome is 10 to power 4, 10 to power 5 in number. Again I will discuss here the another name. What is the oxysome? The inner layer of mitochondria will make fold place to place. These fold known as cristae. On the cristae, a small particle are placed known as oxysomes. Another name of oxysome is the F1 F0 particle. This is the oxysome part. This is the oxysome particle. Oxysome particle have three parts. First is head, second is stalk, and third is base. Okay, the base part is also known as a F0 particle and head is also known as a F1 particle. This F0 particle, with the help of oligomycin sensitivity conferring protein, it binds to the inner layer of mitochondria. Okay, and F1 particle, in this place electron transfer system, here ETS electron transfer system take place. With the help of electron transport system, there is the formation of ATP. So we can say that mitochondria is a powerhouse of cells. Number of oxisome 10 to power 4 to 10 to power 5 is the number of oxisome in mitochondria. Oxisome was discovered by the Morgan, so we can say the another name of oxisome is Morgan particle. Oxisome was discovered by Morgan, so we can say Morgan particle to oxisome because oxisome was discovered by Morgan, so we can say Morgan particle to oxisome. Okay, the another name of oxisome is Morgan particle because oxisome was discovered by Morgan scientists. So this about the oxisome. This is the liquid part of mitochondria known as matrix. Now we will discuss about matrix. We can say the inner part of mitochondria, known as the matrix. This is the matrix. This one is the matrix. Okay. In matrix, what is the present matrix? 70S ribosome is present. Here, this one is the 70S ribosome. So we can say in matrix 70S ribosome is present. In matrix 70S ribosome is present. Due to presence of ribosome, mitochondria can synthesize their protein. Due to presence of ribosome, mitochondria can synthesize their own protein. Means it is not depend on cell for protein synthesis. Okay. This is the 78 ribosome, and this is the another structure which is present in ribosome, that is the circular DNA. So we can say that in matrix a circular DNA is also present. Circular DNA in matrix, a circular DNA is also present, which is prokaryotic in nature, which is prokaryotic type of DNA. In matrix, a circular DNA is also present. Which is prokaryotic type of DNA. Okay. Due to presence of 70S ribosome and circular DNA, the mitochondria is also known as a semi-autonomous cell organelles. Due to presence of due to presence of DNA and a ribosome, the mitochondria is also known as semi autonomous cell organelles of cell. Due to presence of DNA and ribosome, the mitochondria is also known as semi-autonomous cell organelles. This is the important question. The Krebs checker takes place in mitochondria matrix because all enzymes of Krebs checker are present in mitochondrial matrix. So we can say that all enzymes of Krebs cycle are present. All enzymes of Krebs cycle are present in matrix of mitochondria. So Krebs cycle takes place at matrix of mitochondria. Very easy. All enzymes of Krebs cycle are present in matrix of mitochondria. So Krebs cycle take place at matrix of mitochondria. One enzyme, the name is succinic dehydrogenase enzyme, which is related with the Krebs cycle, is not present in the matrix of mitochondria, which is present in the pre-mitochondrial space. This is the space, pre-mitochondrial space, the space between cell membranes. So at first we will discuss what is a pre-mitochondrial space. Pre-mitochondrial space, what is the pre-mitochondrial space? This is the space between outer and inner membrane of mitochondria. Okay, this is the place, this is the space. Pre-mitochondrial space means this is the space between outer membrane and inner membrane. This one inner membrane of mitochondria, known perimitochondrial space. One enzyme name is succinic dehydrogenase. Succinic dehydrogenase enzyme which is present in perimitochondrial space. Perimitochondrial space. Succinic dehydrogenase enzyme which is present in perimitochondrial space. This enzyme is related to Krebs cycle. All enzymes of Krebs cycles are present in mitochondrial matrix, but one enzyme, succinic dehydrogenase, which is present in perimitochondrial space. What is the perimitochondrial space? The space between the outer membrane and inner membrane. that space known as pre-mitochondrial space. So we can say the mitochondria is cell within cell organelles. Due to presence of DNA and 70S ribosome, due to presence of DNA and 70S ribosome, we can say that mitochondria is cell within cell organelles, okay. According to Margulis, the scientist name is Margulis told us that the mitochondria is like a prokaryotic cells which is present in eukaryotic cells. Margulis told us that mitochondria is a like of prokaryotic cell. Mitochondria is a like of prokaryotic cells which is present in eukaryotic cells. Because mitochondria have 70S ribosome like the prokaryotic have circular DNA which is also like to the prokaryotic cells. So we can say that mitochondria is a like of prokaryotic cells which is present in eukaryotic cells. The stain which is used for the staining of mitochondria, which stain is used for staining of mitochondria? Jensen green B stain is used by the Jensen green B stain is used for staining of mitochondria. Origin of mitochondria. The origin of mitochondria take place by the purple sulfur bacteria. So we can say that mitochondria originated from purple sulfur bacteria. Mitochondria originated from purple sulfur bacteria. And last one is the function of mitochondria. What are the function of mitochondria? Function of mitochondria. First function is ATP formation. Because it is known as a powerhouse of cell. Second one is it is required for beta oxidation of fat. Beta oxidation of fat. Last one is mitochondria synthesize the steroid synthesis take place in mitochondria. These are the function of mitochondria. First is the ATP formation, so it is called the powerhouse of cell. Second, beta oxidation of fat. Last one is the synthesis of steroid take place in mitochondria. So friends, this is the about the mitochondria. Now we will stop. Thanks.